That's Toby. He's a little tiny one with a little scraggly tail. Toby, what you doing? What you doing? Doing, doing? He hops. He doesn't walk, he hops. It's another reason why I absolutely adore him. Rufus! And yeah, Rufus has a boo-boo on his back. We're not sure what it came from. He came out of his cage like that. And he's on antibiotics right now. Rufus, stop eating the plants. Come on, baby. Stop eating the snow. You have water. You have water. You don't even like the snow. Do what dogs do. Toby, what are you doing? What are you doing? This is Toby. Hi, Toby. Hi, Toby. Boing, 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 boing. No, and here comes Rufus. Doing, doing, doing. Not as much. Doing, doing. Oh, he's ready to go inside. Oh, and here we go. Here we go. You get to see them play. You ready? Maybe. Doing, 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 doing. Rawr, rawr, rawr. Hey guys, where are you going? Where you going? Stay out of the other yard, come on. You know better. Doing, 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 doing. Come on, boys, let's go. Come on, let's go inside. Boys. Toby, Rufus. Toby. Doing, come on. Doing. Oh, there he goes. This is why Toby is so difficult. Anyway, I'm going to rally them in.